So I just came from Nest Eats whatever, and I had two toge and one emperor ano what's that again? Emperor siopaw. Toge is always been the same. Yung siopaw, so I think I'm just gonna have ano, yung pad thai or bagong rice. Let's see, tingnan natin. Andito, saan yun? Ayun, authentic pad thai daw. Saka may thai bagong rice din. Wonder what I'm gonna have here. Yung pad thai, nakakain ako sa saan ba yun? Sa Bawa. How's your Thai bagong rice? How's your Thai bagong rice?
That one is our bestseller po also.
Yan?
Yes. Bali yung mga nandito po kasi yung mga bestseller niya. Mga signature dishes.
Okay.
Pero hindi pa po yun yung pinaka-menu namin.
Pero maano siya, no? Sige na nga. Let me see your menu. Okay. Thank you. So ito daw yung top 10 bestseller nila. Authentic pad thai, dry. Sana yung oyster omelette. Wala rito yung bagong rice. Pero nando sa ano nila, sa menu nila yung kaya lang that's for sharing. Baka masyadong marami. Solo. Ayan. Siguro I'm just gonna have an pad thai. And then I'll compare it with ano, yung sa Pawa. I think it's yung partner nila ron is Mai Thai or something. Ayan o tayo bagong rice. Green mango, shrimp paste, sweet pork, snake beans, and fried egg shrimps. I think I'm just gonna have that. Yeah. Subukan ko yung Thai bagong rice. So, kakakain ko nga lang rin, kaya busog pa ako. Yung kukuha ko ng pad thai, maybe too much for me. At least yung rice lang yun. With mango, sitaw yata, and bits of sweet pork. So, we'll see how it tastes. So, ito ang aesthetic ng purple rice. Ayan yung ano nila seating. Thank you. So, they have chips, which actually hindi ko na siguro kainin yan. Kanina nag-chips na ako eh. I mean, crackers, not chips.
Chopped chili and
So, ano nga ulit ito?
sweet chili, sweet pork, sir.
Sweet pork.
Egg,
Egg.
onion,
Onion.
sitaw, chopped chili and
Okay. Thank you. So, here's our bagoong rice. And supposed to be shared. Sama na natin yung sitaw. Paghalo-halo rin naman to eh. By itself, magiging maalat siya. Pero, since meron nito, sweet pork, ganito, then may mangga. So, yun. Tikman natin. Kuha tayong konti. Kailangan may sili. Saka yan, halo-halo na yan. Lagyan din natin ito para mabalance yung sweetness. And tikman na natin. So, ito din. Yan, masarap siya. I don't know kung ano yung natikman ni Judith kung paano. Pero I'm sure mas authentic yun kasi yun, it was made by a Vietnamese refugee back in the day when we were processing Vietnamese asylum seekers, right? Pero yeah, masarap siya. Ayun lang. Till next, babush. By the way, ito nga pala for sharing. Ang dami niya. Oh. Kung may na kayong kumain, kahit sa tatlo po pwede to. I don't know kung mauubos ko. If not, maybe pamigay or for later, right? Okay, so yun lang. Babush.